Have you ever wanted to learn a new language, or are you tired of pretending you understand what's going on in your French class?
Maybe you're a young person or inexperienced in navigating a foreign language.
Or maybe you're planning to travel abroad, or you're in a location where the native language is unfamiliar to you.
How would you normally go about learning this new language? Maybe use Duolingo or prefer to just memorize vocabulary.
David Curry, a journalist for Business of Apps, conducted a study just a few months ago and found that roughly 5% of language learning is done via mobile devices, with a staggering 90% of learners still using offline methods.
You might be thinking to yourself, how could that possibly be accurate? It's 2023. Most people must be using some type of advanced language learning tech by now.
The answer might surprise you, but the issue most learners face with these apps is that most are not sophisticated enough for users to truly understand a new language, or have yet to be updated with current technology. This means most users will usually end up having to buy additional courses or pay ridiculously expensive subscription fees.
I don't know about you, but the last time we checked, speaking languages never cost anyone a single cent. So why should we charge people to learn them?
It's time to update language learning to the digital age. Cancel those subscriptions and replace that little green bird with LangLens, a free augmented reality language learning web app specifically designed for users like you.
The idea behind LangLens originally arose from Dr. Kim King, a professor in the Department of English at Northern Arizona University.
She noticed that most tools currently offered to language learners fail to utilize the latest AR technology.
While some do have AR capabilities, such as Mondly, they fail to use both object detection and text recognition features while also focusing on the key elements of language learning. Or even worse, they have these features locked behind expensive paywalls and subscriptions.
LangLens has solved these problems with a completely free language learning web app that is accessible from any mobile device no matter where you are in the world.
With LangLens, you can bring language to life as you interact with the world around you using the latest advances in AR technology.
No more subscription fees or flipping through outdated workbooks. With LangLens, learning a new language has never been easier.
All you have to do is select your target language, scan any object or word you can see, and watch as the environment around you translates right before your eyes.
You might be wondering, that's cool and all, but if I needed a translator, why wouldn't I just use Google Translate?
That's a good point, but we're more than just a translator. We're an entire learning experience that takes language learning to a whole new level of interaction.
After each scan, the web app will display clickable bounding boxes around any of the detected objects or words. They will redirect you to a learning page that has the correct definition, sentence usage, and pronunciation.
Not only will LangLens revolutionize the language learning market by attracting more consumers online, but it also provides the innovative solution Dr. Kim needed to bring a new language learning tool that offers practical applications in both language learning classrooms and real-life environments.
To find out more about our entire design process, stay up to date on future development and releases, and see live demos of LangLens in action, we invite you to visit our team website using the link on the screen. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you're excited to use LangLens.